Happy day and welcome to the Susan and Soulless Homestead. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification buttons if you are inspired or wish to support our future endeavors and videos. The best is yet to come. So we upgraded our rain capture system and built the drainage pipe underneath the ground. Underneath the ground to connect to all of our sprinkler systems. I mean all of our drainage. Left a nice 4-inch pipe. When you build it out of the ground, we recommend always using the next size up. So if there's a lot of rain, it can overflow if it gets clogged.